Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my slime right here. So what I did in a few videos ago, what happened was I did like homemade slime against not homemade slime. This was the not homemade slime, except it wasn't this galaxy and stuff before. So what happened was it just had like, you see, well, let me show you instead. You see those glitters? Just pink. Like those glitters, except pink. Those. It's kind of hard to see because it's a little blurry. Well, that used to be just the glitter. And then that glitter I added, except all sorts of different colors. You can see on my finger. All sorts of different colors, even more colors than that. And then today I added so much other glitters, so yeah. So much glitter. It's nice and pretty. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think this slime looks more like? Like, which color does it look like the most? I think it's personally Galaxy. Thumbs up this video, subscribe, and all that stuff. And even comment down below which Pokemon is your favorite out of Pikachu, Charizard, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. Comment down below. And if it's a different one, just type in his name and I'll hook it up. Because I have so much Pokemon books. I have like 2. One's huge, one's not really huge. But anyway, I still have lots of Pokemon on my phone. That's what I'm doing right now, filming on my phone. Anyway, ignore the ruffles that I'm doing in my nose because allergies. And today is Mother's Day, so like this video if you love your mom. And also, one thing is that this slime is not any ordinary slime. This slime literally looks like space. Like seriously, look at that. Look at that chunk. Running away. This is such cool slime. So, comment down below and subscribe if you really like this slime. So I'm just gonna say bye now because I don't really know what else to do. It's just like this slime today. But anyways, just